So my dad called me over a couple of days ago, and he says, "Do you want a broken old computer?" And I looked around me and I saw the the 18 other ones I own, and I said, "Yes, I absolutely do." So I didn't even know what it was until until I got it. It turns out that at the place where he works, they had a couple of old Macs. And they were throwing them out. This happened to be one of them. And to be honest, I had no idea people were still throwing these things away. I thought they were all gone. I mean, this is a 2001 model. I mean, this thing's older. This thing is as old as I am. And it was just sitting in the back of a storage room. So they actually thought of me, because I'd done some work experience there in the past. So that's really nice. They actually thought, oh, they could give me this, and I'm definitely grateful for that, because I'm gonna have so much fun with it. I've actually owned one of these before, and it didn't really go too well. That was about 2007. It didn't really work. It used to crash all the time, and I just used to have so much fun. My dad and my sister made the grave mistake of showing me how to drag and drop pictures from Google Images into Microsoft Word, and I got a bit trigger happy with the print button. A lot of ink was wasted. I still have the pictures in a ring binder. Anyway, what am I saying? Today I am going to just strip this all down and clean it. As you can see, it's in really good condition. I mean, it's really nice, especially for a 20-year-old computer. You know, I think this spent most of its life in a production studio where they were making all sorts of 2D graphics and stuff. So I'd assume it just spent most of its life under a desk, but I mean, under a desk is a dangerous place for a computer to be, because it could just, someone could just punt it by accident. I mean, I've certainly done that more than I would care to admit to my own computer. Anyway, let's just take it to bits. I don't even know if it works yet, but I don't think it does. I think it has a problem with the power supply. But it's a beautiful computer, and I'm just really excited. So yeah, let's go.